We will cover a disease condition pyelonephritis in a very short span of time. First of all, pyelonephritis is a kidney infection that can be caused by bacteria or a virus. It is a type of UTI that occurs when bacteria from the bladder or other part of the body travel up to the kidney. When the bacteria is inside the urinary system except kidney, then that is known as UTI only. But once it has spread to the kidney, then that term is known as pyelonephritis. Now, what are the key features of pyelonephritis? First, we will discuss the location. The infection primarily affects the renal pelvis. It is the central part of the kidney where urine is collected. Here in the figure, you can see where it is located. And the pyelonephritis can affect one or both kidneys. Now, cause the infection is primarily caused by the bacteria, E. coli or Escherichia coli. These bacteria can travel up the urinary tract from the bladder to the kidneys. Now, what are the risk factors? Female gender are more prone to the male because of their shorter urethra. Urinary tract obstruction. If there is any kind of obstruction due to kidney stones or enlarged prostate, the flow of urine could be restricted, due to which there is more chance of bacterial growth there. Same in the case of catheter use. Pregnancy. Changes in the urinary tract during pregnancy can increase susceptibility to kidney infection. Due to enlarged uterus, there is pressure on the urethra, causing incontinuity in the flow of urine. Next is diabetes. People with diabetes are at high risk of UTI and pyelonephritis due to immune system dysfunction and high urine glucose level that promote bacterial growth. Weakened immune system. Conditions like HIV, cancer treatments, or immunosuppressive medication can impair body's ability to fight infection. Then such patients are more prone to UTIs or pyelonephritis. Symptoms: fever. Whenever there is any kind of infection, our body responds by increasing the temperature of our body. It's very clear. Flank pain, pain on the side or lower back, typically in area where the kidneys are located. The flank region is between the ribs and the pelvis. Pain. Dysuria, painful urination often accompanied by frequent urges to urinate. Urine changes due to infection, cloudy, foul smelling urine, or the presence of blood, that is known as hematuria, can be there. Nausea and vomiting, again due to infection, there could be systemic effects of infection. Next is fatigue, feeling weak or generally unwell. Chills, shivering or feeling chilled with a fever.